This year, the Asia-Pacific markets have been declining, and those declines are accelerating sharply in recent weeks. Our first chart shows, for example, the MSCI Taiwan and the KOSPI 200 index, representing Taiwan and South Korean markets respectively. We've spent a lot of time in the past months watching closely the relationship between equity markets and currency markets, as the strong U.S. dollar has correlated with these declining equity indices. The second chart shows the South Korean KOSPI 200 against the South Korean won, and we can see the sharp rise in the dollar versus the local currency, and how that rise has accelerated at the same time that the decline in the equity market has steepened. And again, here's a similar relationship for Taiwan. And we can see with the arrows that this decline in the Taiwan equity market began at the same time the dollar began its liftoff against the Taiwanese dollar. These currency markets are now resembling parabolas. They're accelerating. And we know historically that these type of moves end in a bang and not a whimper. And so it's a very dangerous time, because it is likely that this acceleration will continue until some type of climax/panic occurs. It's time to look back at 1997's Asian currency crisis. The lessons there are instructive. Here's the South Korean won during that end of the year, and the dollar was in a parabolic advance against the South Korean currency. And you could see in a period of 5 weeks, the South Korean currency lost half of its value. But not only that, in these thin liquidity conditions that occur during these types of events, there are massive swings in both directions. It looked in mid-December that the panic was over, only then to see another strong move that went even to higher highs. The lesson here is it's a very dangerous time in both currency and equity markets right now in the Asian Pacific region, and it's an important time to be careful. There will be opportunities ahead, but we must wait to see the end game, as it were, because these types of moves don't end quietly. Stay tuned. I hope you'll join me at Asian Pacific Short-Term Update as we continue to track this very interesting situation.